Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing it super well. So another year has passed and we're setting up another bullet journal, this time for 2026. I've done a few of these on my channel before and I think my excitement for journaling just leveled up a bit because last year I found a journal that has 256 pages meaning I would only have to set up one journal for the year instead of two. So that is like a massive game changer. And also I'm doing a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned for the details at the end of the video. Also, a quick update for the shop. I'll be having a sale on both my shop website and my Etsy shop. 20% off for my website and 25% off from my Etsy shop, running from the 24th of November to the 3rd of December, and all the details will be in the description. So this year, for the second time, I'm using a notebook from Ty Fossey. It's a beautiful teal colour. Well, to me it's not teal, however that's the colour description on their website, but like I mentioned, it has 256 pages, which is the best. In the first few clips you would have seen me kind of prepping all the elements for my journal. I thought I'd do something a bit different this year. Since I've opened my online shop, I've been making a crazy amount of stickers, so I thought I'd create a journal kit for this year. So I really didn't have to do much when it came to putting the journal together, and the process was just really fun. The theme color was like navy blue and cream with some added extra colors. So I'm starting off with my name spread, of course, which are stickers that have my name on them. This was a very simple spread to set up and I wanted to keep it very simple too, because I've been doing more simple looking spreads in my journal lately. Moving on to my cover page, I made sure to print out some decorative pages so that the spreads could of course have some art to them, and that I could also easily create depth and texture to the spreads by doing this. I use this really vintage looking paper and one with bunnies on, which I think tied the theme together very nicely. So I sped this part up a bit just because I wanted to show you guys my little placement process without it being annoying, but also seeing like that the process can be like back and forth. And of course I had to add one of the stickers from my shop. This one is the Queen of Gems sticker and it went really well with the colours. I also used some book pages to add some more depth and contrast and to just fill the spaces. I thought it was so cute that these book pages were actually from Winnie the Pooh, and I only kind of realized it as I started using it, and like I was looking at the words, I'm like, oh, it's Winnie the Pooh. And all of these stickers I made them in Procreate, and then I just moved them over to my laptop and then cut them out of the Cricut using the Cricut design space. I also made sure to print these decorative papers out on sticker paper as well, just to make my life easier instead of gluing, because I notice sometimes with glue it can kind of seep out of the edges and then stick the pages together when you shut the journal, so I wanted to just make everything easier. So after so much decision on where to place everything, I'm finally sticking everything down, and then I also added a quote with my letter stamps onto some glassine paper, which was not the best idea because it took ages to dry, of course, because the paper is like a bit shiny. Anyway, it dried thankfully, and then I'm adding my main sticker and then 2026 at the top. And the main sticker is like the one with the frame around it at the top there, which I kind of included in my little journaling kit, and then the one below it is the sticker that's already in my shop, the Queen of Gems sticker. And then on the right hand side I added my 2026 overview, which is just the calendar for the entire year, and this I created in Canva, which I'm sure you all know how good it is for creatives. I make all of my thumbnails on there as well. And any bits that I've ripped off of the decorative paper, you can see me here just kind of adding them to fill up any spaces, just so I'm not wasting anything. Onto my future log, I made these mini calendar stickers to make my life so much easier. No more writing out every single day, which was great at the time, but you know, journaling has evolved. I stuck them onto the bunny paper just to add like a little bit of a background, and then added my titles at the top. I kept this pretty free from any decor since I need all the space to write on these spreads. This future log will only be for January to June, and then I'll make another one after June for July to December. This just helps me split things up to kind of become a lot more manageable. And the mini calendar stickers, I also designed these in Canva. And the style I'm going for is just like a ripped natural kind of style, so you really don't need any scissors other than when I'm just kind of cutting off the edges to fit the shape of the paper. Next, I'm doing my goals for 2026 spread, and I split this up into personal goals and business goals. I actually forgot to do this, but you'll see me do it a little later in the video. And then on the other side, I have my little daily reminder spread. I had a lot of fun making this actually. I thought this would be so much nicer than a quote page this time around, since I always add quotes to my monthly spreads, and I thought this would be better for me personally, as I added things onto this that I know would just add more positivity into my life in small doses. And by that I mean it literally kind of just directs me to a more grateful attitude. So if I'm remembering to kind of look at these things and then do those things, then it just helps my focus to be a lot more positive. Oh, and also here I'm taking off the gold sticker and just moving it down a little bit, which I think is good because this sticker paper is great, so that I don't have to like worry about it like ripping any of the paper. Like, it will come off and then I can re-stick it on. Moving on to some more intentional spreads, I'm doing a yearly budget tracker. I really don't know why I called it budget and expenses. I guess that is included, but that was not the best title. Anyway, the point of this is to track money throughout the entire year, whether that be income, expenses, debt and savings. And I mean, at the age of 30, I really need to be way more specific with my money, especially since I've now started a business. And then on the right hand side, I have another money spread, which is savings. I called it a challenge so I'd be less hard on myself if I didn't save the amount I wanted to by the end of the year. And these were made in Canva as well. And while I was making these, I also made one for each month as well, so like a monthly budget tracker, which is just a shorter, more simple version that only covers the time period of 1 month. And here I am going back to the goals page and adding the titles for business and personal goals. For my last 2 spreads, since I've started my own online art shop, I have a dedicated spread for this now. At the moment I'm adding a monthly spread for the shop, which I'll still do, but this one will be more of like an overview of the shop and Etsy too, whereas the monthly ones will be more specific for each month, whether that's goals or working on new products. And of course my shop links will be in the description, and they'll be in every single video going forward. On the right side, I've got hobbies and a project spread. I did this one before in my last journal, and this is just way more relaxed and creative, but I do want to work on 3 new things just for my own enjoyment and like my own personal creative progress, I guess. I'll probably film it when I do them, but it's still something that's not work or that requires me to get like overly serious about it. And I also made these date stickers as well because I need them for every single month. So onto the giveaway details. I'm going to be giving away 4 of these 2026 journal kits, 2 winners here on YouTube and 2 over on my Instagram. The giveaway ends on the 30th of November and I'll announce the winners on the 1st of December at 12 p.m. For YouTube, subscribe to the channel and comment a brown heart. Once I've chosen the winners, I'll have them edit their original comment by adding their email. So you'll need to come back to this video on the 1st of December at 12 p.m. and the winners' names will be in the description. Winners need to respond within 1 week or I'll have to pick someone else. Yeah, so that's my 2026 bullet journal setup. Here is the final flip through, and I'm considering adding this to my shop and possibly monthly kits, but let me know what you guys think of this and if you'd use them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and have gotten some inspiration from this for your setup. Everything I used apart from the journaling kit will be in the description below, and don't forget to check out my shop either on my website or Etsy so you don't miss out on the upcoming sale. Please be sure to like the video as this really helps the channel out, and also subscribe if you like this kind of stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.